Hey folks, 828 Fine Adventure. We have got the ECS Tuning axle back muffler delete exhaust for the Golf GTI. It is stainless and comes with 4-inch black chrome tips, which look really good. And let's go ahead and install this thing. Let's get started. So this is what it sounds like before the install with just the OEM exhaust with the heavy muffler. And this is what it sounds like after the install. Let's get to it and get this thing installed. The first thing I noticed is what nice welds they have on here. And, you know, the packing was great. This here is the main piece. So in one of the boxes that showed up, I had ordered a clamp just in case I needed to put on my OEM muffler to pass inspection or whatever I needed to do. That box also came with the 4-inch black tips. Expect a few boxes when you order this. One of the boxes had the elbows that actually attach to the tips that go out the back. As you can see in the other picture, the red-handled tool here is the cutter for the exhaust pipe. It made it really easy. The first step you're going to want to do is zip tie the new main piece of the exhaust to your existing exhaust. You want to line it up and zip tie it together. That way you can make a mark. Now that mark is not the one you cut. You actually measure inside 2 inches. Read the directions so you don't get this wrong. You measure 2 inches from that, and that's where you're going to cut. You will understand it once you zip tie the main piece up. You will see what I'm talking about. Using my handy dandy red-handled pipe cutting tool, which I had never used before, but this worked really good. Once you got it adjusted right, it cut right through and took no time at all. It just takes a little muscle. Next, you're going to need, I believe, what is a 13mm socket, and you'll need to loosen the muffler hangers on each side of the vehicle. I had an extra person help me so they could help lower the muffler. The muffler weighs about 25 pounds, but it's really awkward and kind of moves all over the place. But I didn't want it to just fall, so I used another person. We lowered it down onto a drop cloth, and then we moved on to the next step. Here is a pro tip. Because of the way this hanger is shaped and the way it attaches to the muffler, it makes it extremely difficult to get off. I would order 2 new muffler hangers and instead install those on the new muffler delete that you receive from ECS Tuning. And yes, I used a muffler hanger tool to get these off. It was near impossible. I used WD-40 and all the right things you're supposed to use to make these come off easy. They are not made to come off. They are not like some other makes of cars out there. To save you some time and headache, just order 2 new muffler hangers off of eBay or wherever you get them. And maybe ECS Tuning has them, and it'll make it real easy, all shipped at once. That's just my pro tip. Okay, after you have the pipe cut and the factory muffler out of the way, you can install the main piece. Leave the clamp loose. In fact, leave all the clamps loose so you can do the final adjustment at the end. Go ahead and put the elbows on the left and the right, and bolt the muffler hangers to the bottom of the car. Again, leave the clamps and the muffler hangers loose, but have them in the right position. All right, before we put the tips on, okay, go ahead and install the tips, and then start tightening everything up and as even and level as you can. You'll have to do a lot of minor adjustments to get this right so they sit perfectly in your rear bumper. But it'll be fine. You'll finally get it. The ECS goes on top of the tip, of course. It looks really good. And then when you're done, you have to clean all the fingerprints off, as you can see. Here it is with the door closed and the door open. Okay, let's take it for a test drive, and you guys tell me what you think. Must be up here visiting.
It'll be loud enough for you?
Yeah.
It's a lot louder outside.
It's just a 7.0. Driveway. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps. This muffler delete was a pretty easy install. Like I said, dropping the muffler is the only thing you need an extra hand with, or you could use a jack or maybe a jack stand or something just to help you let it down softly if you're going to save it and hold on to it like I did. Again, pretty easy install, sounds great, makes the car fun to drive and a little more enjoyable. You know, stay tuned. Some big news is we're replacing the engine. We got to replace the long block. And so stay tuned. Please subscribe so you don't miss any of those videos, including the one about what happened. Anyways, that's all I got for you. Like I said, stay tuned. There is more GTI videos coming. And since this is basically all type of vehicle channel, I will have other truck videos and different car videos coming. So stay tuned, and I will see you later. See ya!